brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face to start a happy day. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair, we're ready now, hooray! This is the way we put on clothes, put on clothes, put on clothes. This is the way we put on clothes before we go and play. This is the way we eat our food, eat our food, eat our food. This is the way we eat our food with manners every day. This is the way we tie our shoes, tie our shoes, tie our shoes. This is the way we tie our shoes and run outside to play. This is the way we say hello, say hello, say hello. This is the way we say hello to friends we meet today. This is the way we clean our room, clean our room, clean our room. This is the way we clean our room, we tidy up and stay. This is the way we read a book, read a book, read a book. This is the way we read a book before we end the day. This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath, we wash the dirt away. This is the way we say goodnight, say goodnight, say goodnight. This is the way we say goodnight and dream the night away.